Would you like to do a little beachcombing with me? Stay tuned. So I'm in Manitowoc today. I'm the only one on the beach, just how I like it. I know I look like Nanook or the north, but it's really cold here. I hope you can even hear me because of the waves. But I wanted to take you on some beachcombing. I'm going to go from Manitowoc probably up to Algoma today, stop at 4 or 5 different places. So I'll kind of share my finds. This was the first day that the winds haven't been blowing over 30 miles per hour, so it is cold. I'm shaking a little bit, but I've been finding some great glass here, and I'll show you what else I find. So for me, beachcombing isn't just about the rocks. At this beach, the rocks are plentiful, but it's also about the scenery, the solitude, the sound of the waves, all the other beautiful things that the beach has to offer. This is why I love to come out here. So I hope that you enjoy this little tour of my world. Because it's a pretty good world. I'm finding these little red things. I don't know what they are. Shoot. It's falling. I don't know what these little red things are. If anybody knows, let me know. They're little teeny tiny. So one more thing that I like to do, because I love to find little beach toys, is I like to walk up to where all the sticks and everything have been. Oh, what's that? Oh shoot, it's like a rubber ball. But anyway, I like to go up and look up against the edge where all the driftwood and stuff has washed up, because that tends to be where the little kids' toys and things. And if I have an extra bag with me, I'll pick up trash along that area too. I didn't bring an extra bag today because I didn't think I was going to be out here so long, but we'll see what I can find over there. So something that kills me is that I just walked down this beach right here and I found just a ton of glass in that bag. I'll show you later. And I'm walking back from over here and I found about 20 pieces of glass that I walked right by. For example, this beauty right here. I just walked right by it a few minutes ago. So don't be afraid to go back where you came. Come in it from a different angle, you know, instead of the front side of the pile, go to the back side, because you'll be amazed at how much you miss. So I wanted to do a little show and tell from my beachcombing in Manitowoc. I was going to drive all the way up to Algoma today, but I ended up spending about 3 hours on the beach in Manitowoc. I found a ton of beach glass today and a few cute rocks and stuff. I just wanted to give you a little show and tell on what I found. I found this little rock here. It has a face. Let's see, hold on. Can you see it? Beep. I love finding Coke bottle glass. It's a really nice chunky one. Nice piece of pottery. Cool piece of pottery. Looks like a shark's tooth. Found some more Coke bottle and some really pretty blues, and another little blue. I thought these, honestly, I thought they were the same piece, and I found them in different places, but turns out they aren't. This is kind of a cool piece with a little dent in it. This is my bag from today. I don't know if you can see, but this whole thing is full of glass. So yeah, it was a really good day today in Manitowoc. So that's my show and tell. Bye.